Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Ready to unlock the full power of Google Chrome? Signing in with your Google account is actually very simple, and in just a few clicks, you'll have everything synced across your devices. All right, let's go step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click, a small pop-up will appear. From here, look for the option that says Sign into Chrome and click on it. Good, now you'll be asked to enter your Google account email address. Carefully type it in, then click on Next. On the next screen, enter your password and click Next again. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, just follow the instructions to verify your identity. It could be a code on your phone or a prompt, and just like that, you're in. Now you'll see a confirmation asking if you want to sync your data. Go ahead and click on Yes, I'm in. And that's it. Your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and even extensions will now be synced across all your devices. So whether you're using another laptop or your phone, everything stays connected. Simple, fast, and very powerful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.